So Pepe has been one of the faster moving cryptos that we've been talking about. And right now we've seen them explode over 60%. All right. But want to talk about the potential for a breakdown and retesting some of the lows. We've been here before. I want to shed some light on this matter. If you are new to 99 Bitcoins, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe down below and join us. And let's talk about the frog real quickly. Okay, so looking at it right now as I do pull up the charts, and guys, keep in mind that nothing in this video is financial advice. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence. But we're looking at Pepe, now 37th in market cap. Okay, and over the past year, at one point, this was a top 25 crypto once again. We are trading as we currently look at it at the 506199 level. Okay, this is a mark that's very important because I've said this, and this is just my personal thoughts on the matter. Anytime Pepe drops and gets that fifth zero back into the equation, this is a crypto that's been fairly attractive for me. And right now at these current low levels, you really have to ask yourselves, is this the bottom for Pepe? Okay, I know that we've seen a nice 27+% gain over the last week. But where does it end and where do we come out on the other side? Okay, so let's get into this article. First, I do want to share with you guys a meme coin right now in their pre-sale. Keep in mind, these pre-sales are lottery tickets. Some of them work well. Some of them have, they win, for lack of better words, and some of them, they don't. Okay, so I treat them like lottery tickets. Excuse me, I never put in more than I'm willing to lose, and just trying to hit on 20-30% of them, and that puts me in a good spot moving forward. Okay, but Maxi Doge, it's a play and spin off of the Dogecoin and Pepe coin narratives. Check it out. That link is down below in the description. And not only is the link to buy Maxi Doge in the description, there will also be a link for a Best Wallet, which makes it very seamless to buy into these crypto pre-sales. You connect the Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and or Base Wallet. Okay, so that's kind of how you go about it. Click the link, check out the website, read their FAQs, white paper, all that good stuff. But right now, the price of one Maxi Doge token in this pre-sale is 0.000277. Okay, and as this countdown does continue, we will see another price increase as they have currently raised over $4.4 million currently. Okay, back in the article though that we wanted to talk about. As we've seen Pepe shoot up over the past week, this is where an analyst has taken time out of his day to talk about, is this a setup for another move down? Okay. At the height of the rally, we did touch 50725 on Sunday, but since have retraced back to that 5067 level. Okay. And not only Pepe, but also Doge, SHIB, some of the memes seeing almost 20% over the past week. But Pepe over the same window, 62% is what we've seen. Very impressive as we do look at the TA as well, maybe approaching some exhaustion as we will see a breakdown and a retreatment back to levels that we are seeing more in a bearish conversation. Now, this is where we look at the Pepe chart coming out from Oli Martinez, one of the more outspoken voices and I guess you would say experts in the field that talks a lot of TA. Talking about how Pepe is sent or is poised to retrace back down even to lower levels. Looking at the head and shoulders pattern that is characterized by a series of 3 price peaks. Okay, first and third peaks are the shoulders, while the central peak is the head, so to speak. Okay, and the pattern involves a horizontal line that is considered the neckline in the argument. And as we look in between these peaks, the price will retest that level. And if we do find support in it, once that right shoulder has formed, the next retestment is considered likely to lead into a bearish breakdown. Okay, so that's kind of what Pepe's chart is showing as we do look at it with this huge price move that we have seen. A lot of traders may be looking to take profits. A lot of them may also be looking to sit on these low positions and kind of hold and see what happens. Okay. Personally, not financial advice, but if I was one of those traders and I made a 60% gain just like this, no one's ever going to be mad at you for taking profits, okay? And that's kind of where I would see myself, not necessarily fading Pepe, but it would be kind of a hedge if we do get a bearish retracement back to the low levels that we were once currently at. That's something that I could see definitely take place. Okay, so looking at it from a different time frame, right? The 12-hour chart as well as we look at the daily. Both of these charts do support the trend that I'm talking about. It's crypto. Nobody has that crystal ball. Okay, so keep that in mind as you guys do all of your crypto trading. But leave a comment down below. Do you think that this head and shoulders pattern will lead Pepe to basically fall even further? Is this something that we're looking at currently as we have seen a very significant move up, a rebound, if you will? But for where I'm at personally, I think Pepe was at a bottom point, essentially. It got a nice day or days of run, and correction's kind of healthy. Okay, if crypto takes off in 2026, boy, I would have liked to bought more PEPE at the bottom, and that's just kind of how I see this one shaking out as we move further into January and beyond. But meme coins are running. We're seeing a nice little rebound. That's something that we do want to celebrate. I'd rather have a few days going up than, even if it's a pump fake, a head fake. Any news is good news on that front. So I just want to share with you guys my thoughts on the matter. Leave a comment. Like I said, do you think PEPE is poised to correct even further? Or do you think this is just kind of going to be a blip along the roadmap of PEPE having a rebound and maybe even taking back that fifth zero and trading at a 401 or beyond? Okay. Thank you all for watching. Remember to check out the Maxi Doge pre-sale. That link is down below in the description. Thank you all again, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.